There are women whose power is not loud but lasting. Graça Machel is one of them. Graça Machel is a Mozambican humanitarian, educator, and global advocate for women and children. She is one of the most respected African women of our time, not because of who she married, but because of what she has done. Graça Machel holds a place in history that no other woman does. She was First Lady of two different countries, Mozambique and South Africa. She was married to Samora Machel, Mozambique's first president. Samora Machel later died in a plane crash, a great loss to Graça, and later to Nelson Mandela, South Africa's first democratically elected president. Two countries, two presidents, two very different moments in African history. But even with those titles, Graça Machel never reduced herself to just being a First Lady. She served as Mozambique's Minister of Education, focusing on expanding access to education, especially for girls. She later became globally known for her work with the United Nations, advocating for children affected by the war. Her work has been recognized worldwide. She was honored by Queen Elizabeth II for her contribution to humanitarian causes. That recognition reflected the global impact of her lifelong service. Graça Machel shows us that leadership does not need to shout. It doesn't need to be loud. It can be calm, principled, and deeply committed, and still change lives across continents. Sometimes that quiet leadership can leave the longest legacy.